What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drives at Greb's Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2021 BMW X5 M50i. This vehicle is powered by a 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8 with 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This specific X5 M50i is an amazing spec. It has literally every option you could think of. I love the X5 M50i. It's one of my favorite SUVs, and I made a video on a 2023 X5 M50i, but it's not nearly as well equipped as this 2021 model. But let's get into that. This one has the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, extended leather, and has extended leather on the dash. And you see the Bowers & Wilkins speaker grills are absolutely beautiful, and you can see them over there. Look how awesome that looks. You also have the carbon fiber interior trim. You have the Tartufo extended leather interior. Beautiful. Tartufo is one of my favorite colors on BMW interiors. It's a BMW individual color, as you can see right there. And you have the crystal gear shifter, also known as the glass controls. Looks beautiful too. This is such a nice interior. You have a reverse camera with 360 view as well. The iDrive controller is also glass, as well as a start-stop button. So elegant. Sport Plus. We'll be driving the Sport Plus mode, obviously. You have obviously you have an M steering wheel in this model, paddle shifters, heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats. You also have massage seats in this model. Head-up display. You also have gesture control, as you saw me doing that. Sometimes it's a little bit sensitive. And you have iDrive 8 in this vehicle which I really like. I prefer iDrive 8 or iDrive 7. This says iDrive 7, not iDrive 8. I mentioned all my BMW videos, I prefer iDrive 7 over the new iDrive 8 with this giant screen. I prefer this setup more, which is the setup I have in my car as well. You have the Alcantara headliner in this vehicle, and the Bowers & Wilkins sound system will also give you the headrest in this, or speakers in the headliner as well. The stitching on the seats is beautiful. The specific one's in amazing condition. It looks pristine. But let's walk around this X5 M50i and see what it looks like. So rev it up too. Sounds fantastic. This looks like Tanzanite blue. I might be wrong. I forgot what the actual color this one is. You have laser lights on this vehicle. They look absolutely beautiful. This is such a nice spec. Dark blue with the Tartufo interior. I love it. Premium contact 6 tires, Continentals. You have the Blue M Performance brakes, of course. Rear seats are also beautiful. Look at those speaker grills. Look at that. And I love the extended leather. Such a nice touch. And you also have the sunshades. X5 M50i badge on the back. You also have dual outlet exhaust. Actually, they're quad exhaust, but they're not actual. But like it's not actual individual tips. It's concealed within that black exhaust garnish, because the M50i models don't have the full quads tips, because that's reserved for the X5M. And here's the trunk. Pretty good space. You can also push this down too. You can use that to load like groceries, or you can also hang out back here. You can sit on that like a bench, you know, tailgate or whatever. But absolutely beautiful car. Looks gorgeous. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. You also have a wireless charging tray. As you can see, my phone in there right now. Now we're gonna go for a drive. The seats are so comfortable. This is such a nice spec. I don't really see the Bowers & Wilkins sound system in these too often. I've driven a good amount of X5 M50i's, and this is the first one I've seen with Bowers & Wilkins. All the other ones had Harman Kardon or the bass sound. I wish my, so I have a G80 and it has Harman Kardon. It doesn't come equipped, the M3 doesn't come equipped with Bowers & Wilkins, which really sucks, because I'd love to get Bowers & Wilkins if I had the option to. Yeah, these are just so fast. Like the X5 M50i is no joke at all. That's the thing, like the M50i's and M60i's are so fast on their own. Like and this is more comfortable than an X5M, but has literally more than enough power. So like X5M is pretty uncomfortable compared to this because it has a sportier suspension and it's meant to be a full M car, but this is way more luxurious in the ride comfort and everything like that. So this is more than enough for most people. Probably 99% of people. You can get the X5M if you just want the idea of having a full M car and a more aggressive exterior, you know, with the quad exhaust and all that kind of stuff. But this is just awesome. Like I would daily drive this all day. Like I like daily driving like a nice SUV. Like I don't drive my M3 every day, but when the time comes for when I need to get another, if I just want like a crazy SUV, I would daily drive this for sure. It's just so awesome. Look at that power. It's like ready to go. But this 4.4 liter twin turbo V8 in a lot of BMW M performance vehicles and M vehicles is awesome. But man, these Tartufo seats, so beautiful. And then like the massage function's really nice too. The seats are very well cushioned. It's full merino leather, and I love the extended leather. It makes the interior look more elegant because all the touch materials and touch points are high quality. You don't feel plastic anywhere. It's super, super nice. And I just love brown interiors. I absolutely love brown interiors. I find them to be very classy, especially Tartufo. So much power in this car. It's absolutely amazing. You guys know how I feel about BMW. It's my favorite brand other than Porsche. I'd say BMW edges it out a little bit because I've just always been obsessed with BMW. And the only Porsche I'm truly obsessed with is the 911, but there are a lot of BMW models that I'm obsessed with. Steering is so nice, so balanced, feels fantastic. And the amount of power this car has and how ready it is to go is just so awesome. Yeah, this spec is just elegant. It's one of my favorite X5 M50i specs I've seen. This is my favorite X5 M50i interior I've been in. Like, you don't see Tartufo that often. It's just it's probably my favorite brown interior in any car. It's like the perfect shade. It's like a chocolate brown. It's like a really light chocolate, really milk chocolate brown. That's what it looks like. And it's funny, Tartufo is actually like a Italian dessert, chocolate dessert, so that's what it's named after. So it literally looks exactly like that. So like, here's the thing, like, I mean, I bought my G80 used back in around the time it came out, black on black interior, but if I got a new G80, I would definitely get Tartufo buckets in the interior, and then I get like some really crazy exterior. If for some reason I wanted to order a new one, I won't, because I don't want to spend that kind of money. But if I ordered a new G80, it would 100% have a Tartufo interior with buckets. Yeah, like if I was looking for an X5 M50i, I would buy this one without even like questioning it. I know exactly what I'd be buying. And now we've returned to Grubbs Volvo. So we're about to conclude the video. This vehicle is for sale at Grubbs Volvo right now, so if you're interested in this car, this is where you will get it. But overall, that concludes today's video in this 2021 BMW X5 M50i. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for this vehicle or other BMW X5 M50i's.